Welcome to Basoni Painting. I'm your host, Julio Basoni. Today, we're going to show you how to spray a fence. What we're using right here is a Graco Home Depot 311 tip Graco gun. This is a hose from Sherwin-Williams. I think it's about 50 feet. Gotta get the long one because sometimes it's 2 stories. I'm going to show you guys how to spray this fence right here. We're staining it with a transparent stain, semi-transparent. So what we're going to do here is we're going to spray it, and then we're going to do a back row. Now, when you do the back row, you want to make sure that this row right here is saturated enough with enough stain. Otherwise, you're just going to be taking it off. Okay? Get to it. Here's your shield. 20 bucks, Home Depot. Put some paper on it, so that way you can reuse it. Stick it right underneath, and then you give her a go. Alright guys, I'm going to show you guys how to spray it now. As you can see, we got this one sprayed right here. And as I'm spraying it, Benjamin, my helper, is doing a back roll. So now, I'm going to show you guys how to spray it. Okay, for you younger guys out there at home watching YouTube videos all day, get a job. Okay? So as you can see, we got this side right here sprayed already. Alright, so this is how we're going to do it. Alright, ready? Okay. Right here, you want to spray the face of it, spray the edge of it, spray the face of it, edge of it, face, edge, face, edge. That's how you're going to do it right here on this type of fencing right here, okay? What you want to do, spray the face of it. Face, edge, face, edge, face, edge. And then your helper, Benjamin, is going to come over here with a roll, and he's going to roll over all of this so you don't get no chorreadas, okay? You don't want no drips on it. We're using a water-based stain from Bear. Shout out to our sponsors over here, hooking us up with the free gear, huh? Snapback, huh? Holla back, 913-215-2130. All right, guys. Let's see if I can get you guys in here. Okay, you want to get behind the trees. You want to get past these trees, okay? You want to get onto the fencing right here. I'm going to show you guys what it's like close up and personal, okay? Just wait 1 second. 1 second. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, ready? See, look, this is the face. And this right here is the edge. Edge. Face. And the edge. And Benjamin's doing the back roll. This is what she's looking like so far. Once again, we're using a Bear premium water stain. You got a 6 to 8 year warranty on your fencing if you decide to go with that type of stain. If you decide to use a solid stain, you're looking at a 10-year warranty on any fence, deck, or siding.